Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Chad tax residency. Navigating international taxation can be daunting, especially when you're looking to establish tax residency in a new country like Chad. This North Central African nation has distinct regulations that you need to be aware of. Whether you are an expatriate, a business professional, or a digital nomad eyeing Chad as your new home, understanding the local tax system is crucial. Today we'll explore the foundational elements of Chad tax residency, including the criteria to determine your status, your tax obligations, and the benefits that come with this residency. All of this knowledge equips you to make informed choices about tax residency while ensuring compliance with Chad's regulations. Let's dive into what defines tax residency in Chad. The primary criterion is tied to the number of days you spend within the country. According to the widely accepted 183-day rule, if you are present in Chad for 183 days or more in a calendar year, you will be classified as a tax resident. This straightforward rule sets a clear boundary and helps clarify whether you are a resident or non-resident for tax purposes. By accurately keeping track of your days spent in Chad, you can determine your residency status effectively. This not only influences your obligations, but also dictates the benefits available to you as a resident. Next, let's navigate the legal framework of taxation in Chad. Governed by the General Tax Code, Chad employs a residence-based taxation model. This means that residents are taxed on their worldwide income, while non-residents are only taxed on income sourced from Chad. Knowing these legalities is essential, especially if you plan to reside in Chad. The distinction between resident and non-resident affects your tax liabilities and applicable rates significantly, underlining the importance of understanding how this system operates to avoid any pitfalls. Now we need to examine the practical aspects of establishing tax residency in Chad. The 183-day rule is crucial, but it's not the only determining factor. Factors such as having a permanent home in Chad, stronger personal or economic ties to the country, and family connections can also play into your residency status. For successful compliance, you'll need to create a detailed record of your days spent in Chad, which modern technology can facilitate. Applications like Pebbles can help you track your residency days and avoid any accidental misinterpretations or disputes with tax authorities. Finally, we need to discuss the implications once you establish residency. As a resident of Chad, you are subject to various tax obligations and have access to certain benefits, such as tax treaties that help prevent double taxation. Moreover, you also need to adhere to annual compliance requirements like filing tax returns and notifying authorities of significant changes in circumstances. Fulfilling these responsibilities is essential not only to maintain your residency status, but to also optimize your tax position. By following these guidelines and understanding the Chad tax system, you ensure a successful and compliant residency experience that aligns with your financial and lifestyle goals.